Hi everyone. So today I got something that was pretty cheap. It was $10, I think it was. It's actually the Double 7 Advent Calendar. See, it was $10. It did come beat up. Look at this. It had a rough day. It really had a rough day. And this is what it looks like inside. It's just boxes. Oh, damn, I can't open it, this door. But it's just boxes. So let's get to it. Box number 1. Looks like this. Let's open this up. Oh, it's wrapped. Look at that. This is, I don't know. I can't. It's a sugar scrub. It's a sweet lip, blueberry sweet lip sugar scrub. Obviously, you're not going to expect much from a $10 calendar, but it's makeup, so it's fun. 2 is next. Everything's wrapped, so that's nice. I have a box right here, so that's what I'm throwing. I'm not just throwing it anywhere. Oh, it's a prime grip. It's for the face, right? Not for the lips. Yeah, prime grip. It's for the face. All right, next day 3, right? 3. Yes. Found it. Oh, look how beat up that is. Oh my god. This calendar's seen better days. But as long as the makeup wasn't affected by it, I don't mind. So I have a lip balm, Playful Pout, a mini. Oh, it's a lipstick. Look at that. That's a nice color too. Oh, that's pretty. Does it have a shade? Stay Golden lipstick. That's nice. All right, 4. It's in a bigger box. It's gonna be a lip liner. Oh, this is nice. The all-rounder colored pencil and Moody. So it's a sharpenable pencil. I like these lip liners. It was pretty creamy, pretty nice. Look at that. Very nice. I've heard of Double 7, so that's why I got the Advent calendar. I was gonna get this no-named one, but I figured why not. Oh, did I show you 5? These boxes are pretty nice too. They're not like cheapy material. Come on, come out. They're wrapped in paper, so they're like stuck in the box. 2-bit, so this is a mascara. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's a nice brush. I can get down with that. I will try some of this stuff out. I'll make a video and I'll try some of this stuff out. What's next? 6. Is this 6 or 9? But then this is 9, or this is 6. It's weird. Anyway, I'll go with this as 6. This is a lipstick. Wait for it. Cute packaging. Oh, this is more of a berry. Oh, this is pretty. I like the color of lipsticks, thank God. 7's up next. It's a longer box. It's probably gonna be a stick of something, probably an eyeliner. I am right. Draw the Line black eyeliner. You know, every Advent calendar has to have one. Oh, it's a sharpenable one. I like the sharpenable ones. Some people like the gel. These I like to do my wings. You make it super sharp. For me, it's way more simple than a friggin' liquid. 9, 8 is up next. I don't know how to count. All right, let's see what's in here. Something small. Clear lip gloss. That's nice. Does it have a scent? Ooh, that smells good. Let's see. I have lip gloss on already. But, oh, that feels nice. Oh, that feels real nice. I definitely will use that. I've never used a Power Grip primer, so that I'm kind of tempted to try out the most. Because I was going to order the e.l.f. one because I want to do a video dedicated just to e.l.f. of their makeup as a first-time makeup user. So, alright. Next up. This is a Thick Drip Lip Gloss. I like that shade. Oh, it smells fruity. I love when this stuff smells good. You know what I mean? Alright, 10's up next. Only 3 more days. I got a blush in Ladybird Lane. This is what the outer package is. Cute. It has a ladybug and stuff. It's a sparkly blush. It's a weird color. That looks like a bronzer. Well, yeah, it's a blush. It looks darker in the pan. Alright, next up, 11. This is the W7 bronzer. Look at that packaging. That's so nice. So nice. My shade. I don't know how they knew, but it's my shade. They probably always put for the lightest people in it, to be fair. And then I got the big box, number 12 is the biggest box. Really, W7? This is what you give me on the last day? This is a makeup calendar! Day 12 is supposed to be the best day, and this is what I get? I'm so disappointed. It's very tough. It's very sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap at all, actually. I think it'll hold real nice. Look at that. That holds nice. I'll use it. But for a makeup calendar, for all this makeup to show up, and then this is what you get on your 12th day? Come on, W7. Do better. Like, come on. So bad. So freaking bad. So bad. Oh, I hate when they do this to me. Well, I hope everyone liked this advent calendar. Comment what you think about it. Me personally, I think it's a good calendar for 10 bucks. You got makeup, all makeup except for the final day, which makes no sense to me. They could have put a small palette or something in it. Like, why did they have to freaking ruin it like that? They had good makeup, and then all of a sudden they freaking, it goes to a clip. It's a nice clip, and it works, and it's sturdy, and it's a nice clip. But I don't want a clip on my beauty calendar, my makeup calendar. I got all makeup, and then that makes no sense to me. But anyways, that's all I got for you today. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I hope you subscribe, follow, comment, share, and show me some love. That would be fantastic. Thank you. Bye.